What's up, everybody? This is Ben. Wanted to give a quick update here on the market. Obviously, we got some action going on. Not surprising to me. Hopefully, not too surprising to you if you've been watching some of my videos. I've been expecting this drop. I think it's going to go lower. I started here on Bitcoin just to kind of see what we've done over the past few hours. It's pretty brutal, pretty telling that the bulls are getting tired here. Even on these upswings, all we've been able to do are just make more lower highs on the way down here. And 55 finally broke pretty hard here. Tested 52 for the first time in a while, since all the way back here, early March. Watch my other Bitcoin videos if you want more information. There's three major areas that I was talking about. 52 is extremely important. If this one doesn't hold, it's quickly to 50, and then the psychological stuff starts to come into play for people, and I would not be surprised if we went well down into the 40s very quickly if something like that were to happen, and I believe that it could. I mean, if I scroll all the way out here, you'll probably see way back here in early February, I put these arrows here, noticing that they put in this high and we never came back and checked this area. We tried to, we didn't get low enough. It's almost just like the HBAR pattern where we came down, we didn't get quite low enough, we didn't fill these big buy orders. Tried to do it on our own, just didn't have the steam to do it, and now, as a result, we're here. So I would really watch 52,000 area. Like I said, if it fails, I believe 50 will come very quickly, and I would expect a bounce at 50. And then if 50 breaks, like I said, 50 is a very psychological number for people, especially people that don't trade a lot. So when they start seeing 40s, to them that means bad news, and I could see some pretty quick selling off. And that's what gives you great buying opportunities on your alts. So let me click through a few of these just to show you how, when I keep saying that your alts will follow, I keep tweeting that. Let's just click on a few. I mean, look at Ethereum, just like Bitcoin. Litecoin, I freaking hate this coin. I don't know why I still buy it, but I do, because I think it's going to do something at some point, but man, it just keeps disappointing. Link taking a huge hit, following Bitcoin exactly. XRP the same way. I'm sure BNB is the same way. OXT is the same way. Algo is the same thing. ICX is the same thing. Wow, that was brutal. ADA, I'm sure. ADA is showing a little bit of strength. It took the hit, but look, it's popped back up. It's really trying to hold the support here. But as soon as Bitcoin starts to come back down, like it's inevitable. I mean, I can click all through these. Holy crap. Oh wow, look at Neo. So these are buying opportunities, man, and get ready, because there's going to be more, and they're going to be lower too, I believe. Uni, wow, what a drop. Look at it. Just a few hours ago we hit this high of 36, and man, before you know it, it's down 40%. That's quite a swing there. People are calling me right now because they're probably asking, what should I do? Should I be buying or selling? It's like my family. Sorry about the interruption there. Let's go to our precious HBAR, which I don't say that lightly. I love this coin. I think it's going to make huge moves in the future, in this year, coming years. I mean, look how close it came to that. Right to it. And that's with Bitcoin only touching 52. So you got to imagine if Bitcoin blows through 52 and hits 50, and then all of a sudden people start freaking out and selling, and Bitcoin goes into the 40s. That's why I'm telling you guys, this is a big buy area, and don't get greedy, but it would be very smart, I think, for you to set some stink bids down here in case Bitcoin goes nuts. So, I would just continue to watch it. HBAR did a nice bounce right off the support, right to our line. Look, it's right back here. It's playing off of our bounce, off of our support line here. Just kind of working its way down. And sometimes corrections happen really fast, in a matter of a couple hours. That's how it used to happen in crypto all the time. I mean, Bitcoin would drop 30-40% in a few hours. It was like nothing. It just was part of it. Hasn't done that in a long time. So corrections may take longer now because of the institutional money in here that aren't selling. But don't be surprised for some massive big red candles to pop into play. And when you do, when they happen, if you're set up, then you get to take advantage of these low orders and fill up your buybacks. So that's my thoughts overall on the market. HBAR, as it stands, I have no change in what I've been saying from the beginning. I believe the reason why this is happening is that it needs to come down here and fill these orders. It tried to here, couldn't do it, and now it's just elongated the problem, and we're trying to come down, and we will come down. It's not a prediction. It's just me basing this off the stats and the it's what they call technical analysis, obviously TA, but all these different support and resistance levels. So it's just a tool that I use, and it works for me. Hopefully it helps you. This is exciting for me. I've been waiting on this, so this doesn't scare me at all. I'm happy. I'm glad it's happening. I feel sorry for the people that bought up here, but just hang on to the coins if you want. We're gonna put in new highs. It's gonna happen. But those of you that have been patient and that have held on and have been waiting, I believe your orders are gonna be filled here in the next. Who knows? It might take a few days. It might bounce back up here again, but it's gonna happen. It's inevitable at this point. So unless Bitcoin does some kind of unbelievable thing and blows up past 60,000 again, and then we'll all be wondering what in the world's going on. But I don't see that happening. So that's my stance on kind of the market as a whole. HBAR, I'm a huge believer. I have not sold a single one yet. I'm only buying more. I'm hoping that my orders get filled. I had an order that just barely missed. Some of my top orders just barely missed. And I'm hoping some of my really stink bids, I just get lucky on some kind of crazy wick that happens. And these wicks happen fast. This wick right here happened, in a matter of minutes. And so you might as well put some orders down there and see what happens, see if you get lucky. And do it on your other favorite coins too, unless you're just all in on HBAR, which I am deep on HBAR, I'll tell you that. So I'm rambling now, but thank you guys for watching. I've been getting really good results. I'm getting a lot of watches and a lot of likes and comments, so I appreciate it. It gives me confidence to do more stuff and talk about other ideas. So like and subscribe on YouTube if you want, and let me know what you think. Hang in there. Don't get crazy. Don't get scared. We were expecting this, and now's the time to step up and buy. So take it as an advantage, and feel good about it, and know that your plan, you stuck to the plan, and eventually it's going to happen. It might not happen today or tonight, but eventually this thing is going to happen. So have a good time, make a lot of money, and let's do it together. All right, peace out. See ya.